Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Delicious, fat-free, sugar-free, dairy-free cookies. Impossible? Well, let me show you how. We need some oat flour. Just take some rolled oats and blend it for a few seconds into flour. We need about 150 grams, which is roughly 2 cups. 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of chopped dates, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. Give it a good mix. And add about half a cup to a cup of applesauce. It's best to add it gradually, just enough so that all the ingredients combine into a dough. If you feel that your dough is still a little bit dry, you can add a couple of tablespoons of natural plant-based yogurt. Your cookie dough is ready when it all comes together into a nice Play-Doh type dough. Take a handful of dough and press it into a bowl and flatten it to make it into a size of cookie that you fancy. I'm not trying to win awards here for the best shaped cookies, just make sure that they're all the same thickness. This will help them to bake them more uniformly. Pop it in the oven at 180 centigrade, 350 Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Sometimes you might need a little bit longer, so keep checking if they're browning nicely. Transfer to a wire rack to help them cool down faster, but you know what, they're ready to be eaten almost straight away. Look at that, nice, crunchy, full of goodness. But most importantly, fat-free, sugar-free, and have as many as you want. Join me in the next video for more life-changing food hacks.